Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to explain a C program that reads a line of text, finds all the words, and counts how many times each words appear. It also sorts those words in alphabetical order before printing the result. So let's go through the code step by step. So first part is the header files and setup. So we include two headers files, which is stdioh and string h. So the stdioh is for input and output functions, and string h is for strings operation like string count and string copy. So here we define maximum numbers of characters the user can enter, including the null terminator. So this one, uh, and this takes a character and returns its lowercase version if it's already low lowercase. So this part of code. So this function checks whether a character is a letter, either uppercase or lowercase. So you'll use this to separate letters from symbols, numbers, or spaces. So we use fgets to read line from text from the user, and this includes spaces and punctuation. And this text is stored in the input array. So this is the code that we use. So part for from prepare for word counting. So now we create a space to store up to 100 different words and counter for how often each word appears. So buffer is used to build one word at a time, and buff index tracks position inside the buffer. From here to here. And we loop through each other characters of the input, and if it's a letter, we convert it into a lowercase and add it to the buffer. So if it's not a letter like space or punctuation, and we treat that as the end of the word. So we need the word with null to turn it into proper string. So now we check if this word already exists in our list. So if it does, we increase its count, and if it's new, we add it into the new list. So it sets count to 1. So finally, we're set buffer so we can continue start building the next word. So we can reach the end of the string, we stop the loop. So now we use a simple bubble to sort to sort the words in alphabetical order. So we compare two words with string comp and swap them if needed. We also swap their count so the word and number stay together. So I'll give you an example. So this is an example. And finally, we print and word and how many times in a text. So we use negative 15% to make the output look neat and aligned. So as you can see, it's neat and aligned. Mm, and the program counted each word, ignore punctuation and case, and sorted the results. So, that's the overall. Try entering different sentences with repeated words and punctuation. The program will still handle them correctly. So thanks for watching, and if you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.